Welcome to Komacut's hardware store, where you can receive pricing and order hardware fasteners and create custom kits in real time. Here's how to get started. First, log into the Komacut website or register if you're a new user. Next, click on Shop Hardware in the top left of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll see the fastener categories we offer, or you can choose by clicking on the hardware icon of your choice. Choose the fastener category you'd like to view, for example, bolts. Once you've clicked on bolts, you'll be able to view all options for bolts available on the platform. You have the option on the left side of the screen to narrow down your search by head type, drive style, and hardware metal, or you can browse through the listed bolt types in the middle of the page. Once you've found the bolt you're looking for, simply click on it to select. To receive pricing, you'll need to choose the bolt's diameter and length. Once you've entered these fields, you can hover over the unit price variation icon to see pricing from 100 to 10 million units, or you can enter the quantity and receive a total price. You'll notice a MOQ of 100 pieces is required to add to order. Once you've added your hardware to order, you can continue shopping for additional hardware. To complete your order, click on Order Card in the top right-hand corner. At this stage, you'll be taken to the Order Details page. You will be able to see all the details about each part, such as part name, quantity, and price. You can change the quantity and will instantly receive an updated price. Next, you can select your shipping options. Click Confirm and continue to move through each stage of the order. After that, you can select the shipping address and it will show up on the right side of the screen. The forwards block is if Komacut needs to ship your order to a different address. You can decide later if you don't currently have a shipping option confirmed. Next, click Confirm and you'll see everything in your order summary. Proceed with payment by choosing your payment preference, and your order will be processed and sent immediately to our sheet metal facility.